This is my home, the bird's paradise. My name is Snow, a little white egret. Grandpa Banyan has lived here for over 400 years. His roots hang down like curtains. Shadow teaches me to fly. Spread your wings and trust the wind. Every evening, thousands of us fly together. It's the most beautiful dance in the sky. Kind people built a silent bridge. They protect our home. This is the bird's paradise. I will always come back home.